There's a big blue.
They might swing a little bit.
Yeah, they are. Is it shooting?
Yeah, they're low, straight at me. 728. Let them get close. Nope. Take these.
Take what are they? Close ones at least. What are they? They're divers. They look like bluebills. How many bluebills?
The front one is a drake. So if you want to take that bow,
you guys shoot.
I'm not shooting that hen. I don't feel like it.
I'm just not shooting across you.
You want shoot that? Yeah, I'll do it sooner than later.
At least the wind's blowing this way. Oh, we just have a group fly over our head. Yeah, there's a bunch of them. Let's just leave these ducks. You don't need to shoot the first thing.
Top left, Ernie, left, Ernie. Be ready, be ready, be ready, be ready. I didn't do that.
One's out there. They got low.
Oh, they're still up, they're still up. Did I ever got that?
Here they come, here they come, here they come. Straight out.
That's a blue bill. I shoot it?
If you want to. If you're gonna shoot it, somebody shoot that field. I'll shoot it. You shoot that.
I want to scare it up though. Alright, are you ready, Bo? 3, 2, 1. Fuck.
Get out there. Oh, you're good, you're good. You got another.
Come on.
Just do it. You got it. You're good. Do it. Still got room.
Never doing that again. I'm saying shooting it that far out. That was canceled. There's two. There's two. I'm not shooting these. Heel. Damn, we
That one's fucking sailing. Both of them.
We might have both smoked that left one. Hen and a drake. That left one, actually, I don't know. They might be both be hens. I'll go get, you want me to get the left one?
Oh yeah. Those females?
Yeah. Did you hit this other one?
We shot at the same time. I mean, I hit it first, but you can have it.
You want it? Huh? Here, shoot it. Or take it. Did you know they were widgeon until I called it out?
No, what? When you said widgeon, I was like, oh, fuck the widgeon, because I seen the green.
Hell yeah.
This looks like a bluebill. There's a couple more behind it. Nice.
Nice. Good shot.
Yeah, it's flopping. Straight ahead to you, left, Ernie. Straight ahead, they might be coming in. You see these? These are divers. I'm not shooting, they're bluebills.
I got a bluebill.
I know.
Oh, fucking dump that. Solo right there. Oh, way behind it. Way behind it. I didn't even fucking hit that. Straight up to your right, Bo. You see them? You see these? What are these right here? In the water. You see them? I'm not shooting that one. Me? Juggernaut teal? Or... You guys just murdered those fucking...
Whoever shot you shot those two at once. That's that decoy choke, baby.
They're coming in.
We're taking these. I just dropped that motherfucker.
I fucking missed that second one.
Is he up
It's
still?
going down.
Is that one still up? Yeah, it is.
Yeah, go get it. Go get it.
Better aim at it. Damn, I fucking aimed. Shoot it.
Ernie. Oh. You
I
were
was
like
real
just
close.
behind it.
I was.
Hell yeah.
Nice.
Watch out! I'm gonna shoot again.
What do they do? Oh yeah.
Take these fucking things.
I led that fucking bird so far.
Somebody got that one.
Oh, look at this one, look at this one, Bo, look at this one.
You guys should kill it.
I got it. I couldn't turn quick enough, bro.
Oh my god, dude.
Oh my god.
What's up, boss? And then we got a group of 4 low coming right at us. There's a group of 4 coming low right at us. Get ready. Right in front.
Yep.
They're going to the left.
Fuck.
Oh, get ready. Ernie, your side.
Get these birds.
That
Wow.
one out there, I got.
I was fucking ahead of that. Why don't you buckle your belt?
Got this. What I was gonna say is, man, I fucking will miss
I didn't wanna
I'll
shoot
miss a
him.
fucking easy ass shot like that bird that came in. But I'll shoot this cocksucker out of the air, and out of the fall down, I'll shoot it again. Jesus.
I'm shooting these. Got that one.
I can't believe I hit that bird that far out.
You dumped that far one?
Yeah. I dumped this second one, this close one to the left, and then that like a little layer.
Oh. So I don't know how well.
This fucker's still breathing. I don't know how well.
Oh, Vinny! He did it again, dude.
What's your problem?
Look at it, his nose.
Because
Fucking slide was
that's
wide
Louis'
open,
fault.
locked back.
Because you made me shoot that bird again.
Damn.
Head out your ass, bro.
Damn, dude.
That one was dead too.
Not having Vinny fucking back me up in war. Straight or what?
Oh, they're right to the right in front of us. Right above us. We're right now.
He's still up.
How much of a lead on that one?
Redhead?
Yeah, Bo, yours is not let's see. It's not.
Got that bitch.
Look at these two.
Ready? 3, 2, 1, take them. I didn't even shoot.
We can lay those birds out in the field too. Good fucking shit, boys.
Take them right here.
They're going around. Right above us.
Call.
Nope, don't. They're coming back.
If they're on your side, just take
On our side. Take them right here. Be ready, Louis?
Don't fucking shoot me.
Nope.
There's look, there's 6 coming straight at us. Get ready. Just chill. Don't do anything. They're coming right in. They're coming right in.
You ready, boys? Be ready. Take them right here, Louis. Got that one. I dropped that one to the right.
Get that one, get that one.
It's almost dead. I shot it twice. Thank you. Holy.
I dropped one. I dropped this close one.
I think I hit a far one. You guys good?
I know, whichever one was up in this corner, I hit.
Dude, I'm shaking. Let's go.
Oh, yeah. Fuck yeah, boy.
There's ducks up back there. Come on.
Fuck.
Should I get it? Should we bring this over there?
Yeah.
Let's go, boy. Dude, this has got me amped up. I got it.
Right over
Green. Make sure you shoot green.
I know. Right over our tops. They're cuffed. Let him run it back.
Let them swing. Green. Remember, green.
Right here.
Take them.
Shoot these fuckers.
Got him.
Did we both shoot?
That one far. Shoot that one.
Did it go down?
It kept flying.
I don't know. I'll take a look in a second.
Shh, don't move. Wow, I suck, dude.
There you go. That was a poke and a half.
Right side.
Ready? I'm gonna take these. Take those.
You think you hit that one?
I hit that second.
That one's going down. I didn't even shoot.
Oh, there's fucking more to our right. Coming straight at us. Yeah, there's 6 that are coming. There's a fuck.
Oh my god, it's a bunch of birds.
Alright, these ones are. Let's see what they do.
Thought I seen 2, but it was the mojo.
Should I go get that one though?
Just leave it. Oh, well, fuck.
What are these doing? Let's see what these do.
Let's just see what these do. If they pass, then go get it. If they turn back, then just.
Coming in straight ahead.
That's you, Ernie.
Somebody take
No,
it.
off to the right. What do you
Louis.
do?